Like, you're gonna look cute every day. This hair is really, really thick. I don't know whose head this hair came out of. This hair, baby girl, you did your thing, okay? Your hair is amazing. This company is... J'ai fini de parler. J'ai fini de parler. Parce que ça c'est vraiment incroyable.
But it's definitely some good high quality Brazilian hair. And as you can see, there's no naping in the back with hairspray.
Hair is from Jennifer King Hair. It does get tacky under 5 to 10 seconds, and it have like instructions right here in case you don't know what you're doing. But it does get tacky under 10 to 5 seconds.
And I don't notice any shedding, like random shedding. If I run my fingers through this hair, I don't want to run it through too much because I'm gonna mess up my curls. But if I run my fingers through, like, I think I got one strand girlfriend, like, who? That's unheard of. You don't get no one strand with no curly hair. So this hair is minimal shedding, no tangling whatsoever. This is curly hair. You shouldn't be able to do this. And I'm really mad right now because I'm messing up my curls, but you should not be able to do this to no curly hair. This is the minimal tangling, minimal shedding. The hair is extra soft, really light. That is one thing that I have to rave about with this hair. It is so light.
It's not tangled. It's not shedding. It's not tension. Like, it feels, it's soft. It smells, like, it comes with no, like, nothing. I heard of stories about other hair companies where they have lights in their hair, bugs in their hair smell like fish. No, none of that. This smells perfect. Like, it's really perfect.
I'm just playing with it. I really wanted you guys to see how it looks styled and how cool it can get. Depending on what heating tool you use will determine like the thickness and how fluffy the hair will get. So as you can, if you watched the video, you saw I used my titanium flat irons. Now those flat irons can be used as a wand, a crimper, a straightener, and a curling iron, all in one. So I just wanted to test those out as well as testing this hair out as far as seeing how it takes heat and how fluffy it gets. Now as you can see, like the flat irons were only about, I want to say 2.5 inches, possibly even 3 inches wide. And this is the type of volume that Rick gave me. The smaller your curling iron is, the more volume that you need in return from your hair. The wider it is, the more, loose and downplays the volume